Basonym of this drug Pippali. The word meaning of Pippali is Piparti palayati purusham purayati cha kshinati kshinan dhatuniti. It means palana. Palana means it protects the deha. It protects the deha by increasing the degrees dhatu, and it acts as rasayana. Next comes to the Latin name. Latin name of Pippali is Piper longum. Piper is derived from the Sanskrit word and longum means long. It belongs to Piperaceae family and Pippali kula. Next vernacular name in English, it is called long piper, in Hindi Pippali, in Kannada Hippali, Next classical categorization or classical references of Pippali. Charaka included under the Kasaharagana, Kantya, Hikkanigrana, Astapanopaga, Truptigna and Deepaniya. Truptigna and Deepaniya Shirovirechaniya Varga. Charaka explained in the Kasahara, Kantya, Hikkanigrana, Astapanopaga, Truptigna, Deepaniya and Shirovirechaniya Varga. Sushruta mentioned in the Pippaladigana and Bhava Prakasha mentioned in the Haritakyati Varga. Next comes to the point synonyms. Synonyms are Paryayanama Pippali. First point, synonyms belongs to the habitat. Habitat means geographical area. It is called the Magadhi. Magadhi means Magadeshu Bhavaha. It means it is abundantly available in Magadha Desha. Pippali abundantly available in Magadha Desha. Magadha Desha is Bihar. Next synonym Vaidehi. Vaidehi means Pippali is very common in Vaideha Desha, and it also comes in the Nepal and Bihar. Next Upakulya. Upakulya means Pippali grows near or along the water resources. Next synonyms belongs to the morphology. Morphology are Krishna. Krishna means Krishna Palaha. Krishna Pala means fruits of Pippali is red in color and ripening, but turns to the black once it is dried. Fruit of Pippali is red in color and ripening, but turns to the black once it is dried. Next Kana. Kana means berries are very small. Fruits of Pippali are very small. Next synonyms belongs to properties and actions, means guna and karma. Ushana. Ushana means Pippali has got pungent taste. It taken causes burning sensation in the tongue. Rasanam Vyatayati. Rasanam Vyatayati means it causes burning sensation in the rasana. Rasana means rasanendriya. It causes burning sensation in the tongue. Next Kola. Kola means Pippali has Katu Rasaha. Kola means Katu Rasaha. Pippali has got pungent taste. Next Tikshna Tandula. Tandula means seeds. Tandula is seeds. Tikshna means very sharp. Seeds of Pippali is spicy or very tikshna. Next synonym Chapala. Chapala means it is Sarvaroga Nashaka, means very useful drug which cures the many diseases. So it is called the Chapala. Chapala is a Sarvaroga Nashaka. Next varieties. According to Rajanigantu, it is 4 variety. Pippali. First one is Pippali. Next Gaja Pippali, Simhali Pippali, and fourth one is Vanadi Pippali. Pippali, Gaja Pippali, Simhali Pippali and Vanadi Pippali. Next comes to the habit. Next geographical distribution. The plant grows in evergreen forests of the India, and it is mainly cultivated in Assam, Bihar, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Next comes to the point morphology or external features. Morphology helps for the identification of the drug. Habit. It is a ascending or prostate climber. It is a climber, ascending or prostate climber. Next stem. See the stem. It is a stem. Stem is cylindrical, numerous and swollen at the nodes. There are the nodes, swollen at the nodes. It is a stout, means it is thin like wire, numerous, spreading and swollen at the nodes. Next leaves. Comes to the leaves. Leaves are alternate, not opposite. Leaves are alternate. See the Phyllotaxy of leaves. Leaves are alternate. Leaves are alternate, simple, alternate, spreading. These are the spreading leaves. Spreading, simple, alternate and spreading. Lower leaves are the 5 to 7 centimeter long and broadly ovate. These are the lower leaves, lowest leaves, broadly ovate, leaf, broadly ovate and very cordate with broad rounded at the base. Very cordate, not a cordate base, it is very cordate base, very cordate and rounded at the base, It is longer than the uppermost leaves. Lower leaves are longer than the uppermost leaves. Next, upper leaves are, these are the uppermost leaves are 2 to 3 centimeter long, oblong, ovate. These are the oblong and ovate, cordate at the base. Base is cordate, oblong, ovate. Uppermost leaves are oblong, ovate and cordate at the base. Next, acute, tip is acute and glabrous. See the glabrous and green, glabrous and shiny above. Margin is entire margin and 7 nerves arises from the base. These are the 7 nerves arises from the base. 7 nerves arises from the base and petiole is 1 to 3 centimeter. It is a petiole. It is 1 to 3 centimeter long. Next, flowers are, first one students are chemical composition of Pippali. The fruit contains large number of alkaloids and related compounds. The most abundant of which is piperine. Piperine is the main chemical compound of Pippali and followed by the methylpiperine, piperitine, pyrrolidine and piperlongumine and gingiberine. Piperine is a main chemical component of the Pippali. Next, comes to the point, rasa panchaka. Rasa is katu rasa and guna, lagu and ruksha guna. Veerya is ushna veerya, vipaka, madhura vipaka. Katu rasa, but this madhura vipaka and karma is kapha, vatahara, kapahara due to ushna veerya and katu rasa, pitahara due to madhura vipaka. Next one, karma. Deepaniya, it is deepaniya. It ignites the agni. Rasayana, vrusha, rechaka. It is mainly used in the upper respiratory tract infections like swasa, kasa. So it is swasahara, kasahara, jwarahara, kushtagna, pramehagna, ashogna and shulanashaka. Next, Pippali Moola. Pippali Moola is Deepaka, Pachaka, Pliharogagna. Pippali Moola mainly used in the Pliharoga and Gulmagna, Krimigna and Swasahara. Next, pharmacological actions. It is appetizer, digestant, carminative, diuretic and it is stimulant. Next, Rogagnata, comes to the point, Rogagnata, indications of the Pippali. Pippali mainly used in Agnimandya, Gulma, Kushta, Prameha, Arsha and Udara Rogas. Next, Pippali Moola used in the Agnimandya, Gulma, Krimi and Swasa, Pliharogas. Amayika Prayoga, therapeutic administration. Amayika Prayoga means therapeutic administration of the drug Pippali. In Udarashula, Churna, Pippali and Sunti. In Udarashula, Churna, Pippali and Sunti is the best remedy. Okay. In Udarashula, Churna, Pippali and Sunti. In Chardi, Pippali, Churna taken with the Grata, Madhu and Sharkara. In Chardi. Next, Kasa, powder of Pippali and Kantakari. In Kasa Roga, powder of Pippali and Kantakari taken with the honey. Okay. Next one, Matra dosage Churna 5 to 10 gram. Next, preparations are formulations of pippali, pippalladya loha in swasakasa, in pippalladya asava, grahini and gulma, vardhmana pippali prayoga in pliharoga, vardhmana pippali prayoga in pliharoga and pippaladigrata mainly indicated in kshayaja kasa, pippali kanda in amlapitta, and udarashula shitopaladi churna, charaka mentioned in the Rajakshma. So it is used in the swasa and kasa, pippaladi varti in netra roga.
Good morning to all. Welcome to Dravya Darshana 2020, a national workshop on live demonstration of the herbal drugs. Let us see the drug Svetarka and Raktarka. So here the plant is worshipped as it is very auspicious because of it is sharp like a sun. The botanical name of this drug is Callistoppus gigantea. The family name is Asclepidaceae, Kula, Arcacula. The vernacular names in English it is called as Mandara, in Hindi Akka, and in Kannada it is called as Ekkadamara. Next, the classical categorization. According to Charaka, it is grouped under Bedaniya Gana, Svedopaka Gana, Omanopaka Gana, Shukra Shodhana Varga, but Shushruta considered in Arkadi Gana, Bhava Prakasha in Guduchadi Gana. The synonyms, it's according to habitat, it is considered as Ganarupa. The plant grows in a gregarious, and the synonyms based on morphology, Kshiraparna. So while taking the leaves, we have having the latex. So hence it is called as Kshiraparna. Kshira Kandaka, the stem, when we break up the stem, we can process the Kshira. So hence it is called as Kshira Kandaka. And Rakta Pushpa, the flowers are very red colored, and Sada Pushpa always it is flowering. You can see the flowers here. You can see the flowers. So it is called as Sada Pushpa because of always it is flowering in all seasons. Next, Tula Phala, the fruits are having cottony, and it is also called as Vikirna because the seeds are having common hairs. Next, the properties and actions of this drug. Arkaparna, the leaves are sharp as like sun. You can see the leaves here, so they are sharp like the sun. And Karjuragna, so because it relieves the Kandu. Pratapa, the latex causes the burning sensation. And habitat, commonly it grows throughout the India as a weed. And the varieties, according to Bhava Prakasha, it is of two types, Svetarka, that is Callistoppus gigantea, and Raktarka, Callistoppus procera. While going through the morphological aspect of this drug, Callistoppus gigantea, commonly habit is tall shrub, grows up to 3 meters of the height. Bark, the bark is furrowed, yellowish in color. The leaves about 10 to 20 centimeter long and 4 to 10 centimeters wide. Sessile, elliptic, oblong and ovate. Oblong, acute ape, thick green clothed beneath and less above fine cotton tomentum. Base narrow and cordate. The inflorescence is umbellate lateral cymes, flowers white, pedicles much longer than the flowers, covered with cotton wool, buds ovoid, fruits pollicle 9 to 10 centimeters long, broad, thick, seeds are numerous, ovate, minutely tomentose and brown. So this Callistoppus procera habitat as an erect shrub usually grows up to 6 to 15 meters long, young parts clothed with white cottony tomentum. So the bark is soft, corky and spongy. The leaves are subsessile, about 6 to 15 centimeters long and broadly ovate oblong. Inflorescence umbella chyme, that is inflorescence umbellata chyme. Flowers bisexual, complete, actinomorphic, purplish red to white color, 5 petals and 7 sepals. The fruits etario of follicle, subglobose, ellipsoid or ovoid. The fruits etario of follicle, subglobose, ellipsoid or ovoid. Seeds ovate, flattened, light brown. Useful part, root, bark and flowers. The phytoconstituents of this drug Callistoppus gigantea are calotropin, frugoside, calotrophocytes A to G, calatoxin, calactin, and the phytoconstituents of Calostrophes procera are calotropin, alpha amyrin, beta amyrin, mudarine. The rasa panchakas as per the Ayurvedic classics: rasa, katu tikta rasa, guna, lagu, ruksha and tikshna, vipaka katu and virya, usna virya. So the rasa panchakas of red variety, that is rasa katu, guna, lagu, tikshna, virya, shita, vipaka, madura. Dosha, karma, kapha, vata, shamaka. While going to the karma of this drug, it is considered as kushtagna, kandugna, vishagna, runaropaka, krimigna, arshagna, deepana, shofahara. So while going through the pharmacological actions of this drug, it acts as a purgative, emetic, antispasmodic, digestive, antihelminthic and analgesic. So while going through other the properties of this drug, so it is raktarka, which used in the kushta, kandu, visha, runa, pliharoga, gulma, arshas, udara, krimi, shofa, and svetarka used in mutra, kruchra, runa, krimi. So while going through the therapeutic usage of this drug, in arshas, the fumigation with root of arka leaves of shemi is useful in arshas. In skin diseases, application of oil prepared from arka, manasila and maricha is very much beneficial. In runa, arka leaves are used to cover the wound, and the matra or the dosage of this drug, Moola Tvak Churna, is about 500 to 750 grams, and the different formulations like Arka Lavana used in Pliharuddhi and Gulma, Arkeshwara Rasa in Raktapitta, Arka Kshiradi Lepa in Arshas, Arka Manasiladi Taila in Pama, Kusta and Kandu, Arka Pushpadi Vatika used in Udarashula.
Basic name or Mukhya naam of this plant is Nimba. The word meaning of Nimba is Nimbati Shinchati Swasthimiti. Swasthya is good health. Nimba cures the many diseases and it maintains the health. Next comes to the botanical name or Latin name. Azadirachta indica. The word Azadirachta is a Persian name and it means best tree, and indica means native of the India. It belongs to Meliaceae family and Nimba Kula. Next comes to the regional names. In Kannada, it is called by the name of baby namara. In English, neem tree. In Hindi, neem. In Marathi, kadubevu. Next, classical categorization of the Nimba. Charaka mentioned in the Kandugnagana and Sushruta mentioned in the next. Classical categorization of Nimba. Charaka mentioned in the Kandugnagana, Sushruta mentioned in the Aragvadadi, Gudchadi and Lakshadigana, Bhavaprakasha mentioned in Gudchadi Varga. Next comes to the point synonyms. Now see the synonyms. Synonyms belongs to morphology are Hingu Niryasa. Hingu eva Niryaso asya. The exudate from Nimba resembles the Hingu Niryasa. It resembles the Hingu Niryasa. The color of Nimba exudate resembles the Hingu Niryasa. Next synonyms belongs to properties and actions. It is called the Arishta. Arishta means na rishtam subha asmat or sarvaroga nashana ityartha. Nimba cures the many diseases, so it does always good, so it is called Arishta. Next, Krimigna. Krimigna means krimin hanti iti, very efficacious in the krimi roga. And next synonym Niyamana. Niyamana means Niyachati shamayati rogamiti. Niyachati shamayati rogamiti. Nimba elevates the many diseases. Next, Pichu Mardaha. Pichu Marda means Pichu Mardaha. Pichum Kushtam Mardayati Nashayati. Pichum Kushtam Mardayati Nashayati. It is used in Kushtaroga, so it is called the Pichu Marda. Next, Sutiktaka. Sutiktaka means Ati Tiktaha Tikta Dravyeshu Agraganyaha. Agraganya means it is best. It is best among the all Tikta Dravyas. Nimba is one of the best among drugs having Tikta or Tikta Rasa. Next, Varaha Tvachaha. Varaha Tvacha. Varaha Sreshta Tvagasti. Varaha Sreshta Tvagasti. Bark of Nimba is very useful, so it is called the Varaha Tvacha. Next, habit. Nimba grows all over the India. So, all over the India. Next varieties, Nimba azadiracta indica, Mahanimba, Milia azadiracta, Parvata Nimba, Alianthus excelsa and Akasha Nimba. Akasha Nimba. Next morphology, comes to the morphology or external features of the Nimba. The habitat is, it is a large tree. Nimba is a large tree. It is also comes under the Mahavruksha. Root is taproot and branched. Root is taproot and branch. See the stem. It is a stem of the Nimba. Stem of the Nimba. Stem is woody. Stem is woody and branch. Next comes to the leaf. Leaf morphology. Morphology of the leaf. It is a compound leaf. See, these are the leaves. It is a compound leaf and alternate. Leaves are arranged in alternate. See these are the leaves. These are the leaflets or pinnace. Leaves, compound leaf, alternate, compound leaf and alternate. These are the pinnace. These are the pinnae. Oblique, oblique and lanceolate. Looks like a lanceolate. Oblique, base is a oblique. It is a oblique base. Lanceolate. Margin is serrate margin. Margin is, see the serrate margin. Margin is serrate and tip is acute tip or subacute tip. Okay. It is imparipinnate. 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 Next, dark green above and dull beneath. Leaf arrangement. Okay. Next, bark. See the bark. It is a bark. Bark of the Nimba. Bark is channeled bark. Bark is channeled bark and fibrous. It is a fibrous, channeled and fibrous bark, ranging from 3 mm to 10 mm in thickness. 3 mm to 10 mm in thickness and outer surface is greyish brown color. Outer surface is greyish brown in color and greyish brown or brownish black color or brownish black in color. It is rough. It looks like crocodile skin. See, looks like crocodile skin. So, it is called the channeled bark. It is scaly. It is a scaly and irregularly fissured and inner surface is creamish in color. Inner surface is creamish in color. Outer surface is brownish to black color and it is channeled. Looks like a crocodile skin. And inflorescence axillary, panicle, flowers. Flowers are actinomorphic. Flowers are actinomorphic. Actinomorphic means star shaped. Bisexual, complete, bractate and sepals and petals are the 5 in number and white in color. White in color, stamens are 10 in number. Next, fruits. Fruit is drupeous, droops, fruit, droops and one seeded. Droop and one seeded. Next, useful part, patra, thwak. Useful part, patra, so patra, thwak, phala, patra, thwak and phala. Next, phytochemicals. Leaves contain nimbin, nimbidine, nimbinin, quercetin and bark contains nimbidine. Seeds contains chlorogenic acid and nimbin, the chemical components. Okay. Next, rasa panchaka. Next, rasa panchaka. Rasa guna, virya, vipaka and karma of Nimba. Rasa is tikta kashaya rasa, guna, lagu, ruksha guna, vipaka is katu vipaka and virya is shita virya. Virya is shita virya and dosha karma. Dosha karma, pitta kapha shamaka. Pitta kapha shamaka, pittahara due to pittahara because of shita virya and tikta kashaya rasa. Next, kapahara due to ushna virya. Next, patra karma is krimigna. Next, karmas. Karmas, patra karma is krimigna, vishagna, kushtagna. Patra is netra. It is vatakara, netra, vishagna, kushtagna, krimigna, varnya, kasakara, kasahara and swasahara. And thwak, krimigna, kushtagna, कर्मा ऑफ त्वक इज कृमिघ्न, कुष्ठघ्न, श्रमहर, तृष्णाहर, ज्वरघ्न, कंडुघ्न, प्रमेहघ्न or प्रमेहर, रुचिकारक and शोतहर, शोतहर and ज्वरहर. Okay. Phala is Arshogna and Kushtagna. Pushpa is Krimigna and mainly Vishahara. Pushpa, Vishagna or Vishahara. Next B is Krimigna and Kushtagna. Next indications. Next indications of Nimba. Kushta, Krimi, it is used in or indicated in Kushta, Krimi, Kandu, Prameha, Aruchi, Raktadushti, Trushna, Srama, Chardi and Shota, mainly used in the skin disorders. It is Krimigna and Kushtagna, mainly used in the skin disorders. Next, Amayika Prayoga. In Kushta, application of Nimba and Vidanga. Application of Nimba bark and Vidanga fruit powder is mixed with the cow urine. Next, Surameha. In Surameha, Nimba Kashaya is used in Twakroga. Paste prepared from the Nimba and Aragvada. Paste prepared from the Nimba and Aragvada is applied in the skin diseases. Next, Matra. Matra means dose. Swarasa 10 to 20 ml. Kwata Matra 50 to 100 ml and Churna 2 to 4 gram and Thaila 5 to 10 drops. Next, yogas or formulations of Nimba. Nimbadi Churna, Kushta and Vatarakta, Nimbadi Kwata, Kafajajvara and Pitta Shota, Nimbamruta, Kashaya, Vispota, Nimbadi Churna, Sarvakushta and Visarpa, Tiktakagrata in Kushta and Visarpa, Panchatikta Grata, Kushta and Prameya.